Hi everyone, for today's Technology Tip Thursday, I am going to show you how to share YouTube content in a safe way that allows students to not be distracted by ads or the videos on the sides and things like that, so they can really just get the content in a safe way. And that also prevents questionable things from popping up and the students seeing that. So what you want to do is go to YouTube and find whatever video you want to share with the students. So maybe you're looking for a Pixar short to teach a reading concept. So what you do is you go to the video and you want to get the link. So you can either do that by right-clicking and copying the video URL, or when you click share, you can copy the link here as well. What you're going to do now, there are two options that I like to use often when sharing YouTube videos. The first one is called safeyoutube.net, and it's really easy to use. All you do is go to the site, and then you will paste your link right here in the URL box, and then click generate the link. What it will do is it will create a safe link for the video so that the only thing the students see is the video. Now, if you want to just share that way you can copy the link. It already creates a QR code if you want to have your students scan it, or you could share the link on Google Classroom. You can also customize it and crop it. So let's say maybe you want to change the title. You can. You can change the themes, the colors, things like that. You can also crop the video based on where you want it to start and end. So maybe you don't want it to go all the way through, and you can have it end at a certain time, which is pretty nice. So let's say I want it to end there. You can click OK and save it. And then if you want to view it and see what it looks like, you go to the Safe View, and this is what the students will see. So it's a really nice thing. You don't have all the other videos over here. It won't play a commercial at the beginning. The students won't be able to click on the next video to come up. It's just the video, just the content you want them to see. So that's one option. The other option does the same thing. It's really whichever one you like better. This one is safeshare.tv. It does the exact same thing. You're allowing yourself to watch YouTube and Vimeo videos without ads and distractions. So I already have that code. So what you do is you paste it in, and you do have to log in. So I've already created an account. You can just do the single sign-on with Google. But it is a free website. Some of the features are paid, but I don't think you would really need more than what you're given for free. So that automatically creates the safe share. You can have it loop. You can edit the video. Again, you can crop it, change the title and the description, and all that good stuff. So again, you can share it via the link, or it creates a QR code for you. And that is how you would use it. So let me know if you have any questions about this. It's a really good tool just to show any sort of content without all the distracting ads and the inappropriate stuff that can sometimes pop up on YouTube. So try it out. Let me know how it goes.